Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Nextdoor how to delete account. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to delete your account of Nextdoor, what you need to do first is simply head over and open up your Nextdoor application, and once you're inside, be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now in order to delete account, simply tap on your profile icon on the top right corner of your screen, and once you're inside here, tap on settings on the bottom. Then once you're inside your settings, select account settings at the top, and once you're inside the account settings, all you gotta do is scroll all the way down once it loads, and you'll find an option that says deactivate your account. Simply tap on that, and now all you gotta do is follow the on-screen prompts to successfully delete your account. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.